Control number 40638. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Belen Fadernal. I'm 38 years old. I'm a single mother. I have 4 children. I have 3 daughters and 1 son. Age, my daughter is 23, 16, 13. The son is 20. I have four family. I'm the third.
What is your educational attainment?
My education is elementary graduate.
In what school?
Tetuan Elementary School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong. I learn money to support my family and especially my daughters to education.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
I've been before in Kuwait. I work here in 4 years. I have 4 person inside the house, 2 baby and 2 adult.
What can you do for babies?
The baby, I give food and take a bath and play.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
Yes, I give medicine and I change the diaper.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I work inside the house, cleaning, cooking, ironing, gardening, all work inside the house.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I cook chop suey, steamed fish, and vegetable.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm a loyal, honest, and
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I'm say sorry for happen.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
She treat me as a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Mom and sir, if you hire me, I do my best. I take care of your baby. And I'm kind and I promise you I'm finish the contract.